Today we have a 2003 Nissan Marano and we'll be test fitting a Thule Roof Rack System. We'll be using the 53-inch AeroBlades and the Rapid Crossroad feet. We already have our crossbar assemblies put together, so now we're ready to mount them up on the vehicle. We need to check three things when we mount the front crossbar assembly up on our raised side rails. We need to check that the crossbar is overhanging evenly on both sides of the vehicle. We also need to make sure that the crossroad feet are centered over our side rails. There's a triangle on the side of the crossroad feet, and we want to make sure that that's over the center of the side rails. Finally, we need to make sure that the front bar assembly is running perpendicular to our factory raised side rails. To do this, we'll find a fixed point on the side rails on both sides of the vehicle and measure back to the leading edge of our rapid feet to make sure that we're even on both sides. Now that we have our front bar assembly positioned where we want it, we can go ahead and begin tightening the system down. We'll move back and forth from the driver's side to the passenger side to make sure we tighten down the system evenly and don't lose our position. With our front bar assembly in place and tightened down, we're ready to move on to the rear. Again, we're going to make sure that the load bar is overhanging on both sides of the vehicle. We'll check to make sure that our crossroad feet are centered over our side rails, but this time we need to make sure that the rear bar runs parallel to the front. To do this, we'll measure from the center of the T-track on the front bar to the center of the T-track on the rear bar and make sure this measurement is the same on both sides. Because the system is designed to attach to factory side rails, there is no set crossbar spread. However, Thule does instruct that there is a maximum that we should not exceed. Our crossbar spread should not be greater than 44 inches. So while we're checking to make sure we're parallel, we'll also make sure that we're not exceeding 44 inches. With our rear bar in position, we'll go ahead and tighten it down the same way we did with the front. With the rear bar assembly tightened down, our installation is complete. And that does it for our test fit of our Thule Roof Rack System on our 2003 Nissan Marano.